Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to convert a SketchUp file into a 3ds file. So basically 3ds file format is basically mostly and widely used for 3ds Max software. So it many times happens that the rendering software agency also ask for 3ds files so they can directly load the SketchUp model into their software. So it is very simple to export a simple SketchUp model to a 3ds model. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to file. After file, you have to click on export, and on export you have to select the option of 3D model. So in this case, it is not like Rhino that you select the part that you want and only that gets exported, but here the whole SketchUp model gets exported. So whatever lines, surfaces and things that you don't want, you make sure you don't have it in your SketchUp model, or it will also get exported. So after selecting the 3D model, this dialog box will appear, and under this save as type file, you have to select the option of 3ds, which is a 3ds file format. And just after selecting the 3ds file, and just press on export, and in a few seconds or few minutes it will just export your SketchUp model into a 3ds model. You can simply go to the location where you saved it and you can check the file format. So here it is a 3D studio model, that is a 3ds model, so you can easily use in whatever file format then that you want after that. So that was it for the video. In the video we learned about how to convert a SketchUp file into a 3ds file. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it.